Hear me I say, you see, you as a youth who have locks, forget about the bag juice thing and sugar and water that. As a youth with locks, you feel just aware, you just fit. Cut. Can't believe this.
Yeah!
Alright.
Action.
So I'm going.
But there, man. And I want to tell you, have your thing too. You see it? Yeah, man, well worth it too, you know, brother. But whisper.
No. No. No, sir.
So what going from the black down there? Everything good? Me miss down the cell, you know.
Thing good, man.
Action. Me miss down from the black cell, you know. Everything have going good down there.
Something alright, yeah.
Rolling?
One more line again. Oh, sympathy. Oh, yeah. It's all right, man. 200.
Action.
Yeah, man, in there, on the back.
Yeah, show them, please.
Alright.
One more time.
Him said one. Me said, boy, surface back to my place. You see me? Two, somebody tell me, Dada, give me a heads up. You me want him to heads up.
No!
Understand? That was it.
Good. Remember, said Bishop said, in your licking thing. Now, brother, you know, say, alright.
No, the kid never died.
Action.
Bubbles, you there one? Yeah, I want to come over there come talk to you. I want to come over there come show you something. Yeah, I come get ready and come now.
Now come get ready and
Come. Yeah, come get ready.
Action.
You just remember, say, you have to check the camera every morning, every night. Remember, you're not always there. And you're not always in a shop. Ugh.
Action.
Now that sounds like a plan. Because we need to see if we can dry him out back and see what him up to.
See if we...
A few moments later.
Action.
Now that sounds like a plan. We need to see if we can dry him out back and see what him up to.
Same thing you say again.
Something alright, yeah.
Action. Action.
Yeah, I talked to him on the phone today. And him sound upbeat. But
No, sir.
Action.
yeah, I tell him something I come look for him. But it's a surprise pop up. Wait, that makes sense? Oh, it alright? Okay. Sorry. That's why I don't say it at work.
Action.
I don't know, Tony, but I not asking them question there. I mean, the last thing me know is that him lose him data mother.
Action.
Me don't know, Tony, I don't know. Me not ask king them question there. But me never see king with nobody yet either. But I want to tell you the last thing me hear is that him daughter mother
Died from cancer and the people outdoor.
don't cut bad man flow.
You got the vices all the time.
Yo, the big man act like boy. I pick me alone and talk to them boy like this.
A few moments later.
Action.
Phone and joke in it is. Remember that.
A few inches later.
Action.
Yo, put phone and joke in aside.
Action.
Yo, we are briefly help me come in.
Something alright?
Action.
That's why I'm so frustrated in.
Why can't I get it right?
Action.
Yo, it is. That's why I'm so frustrated in, brother. Brother, we have to have
Something alright, yeah?
Action.
Me call you bad man. Don't feel like say. Oh, me call you.
Me call you. Me never call you no. Action.
Me call you bad man. Don't feel like. Go on again.
12 seconds later.
Action.
Me call you. Me never call you when up. Me never call you now a bad man.
I don't know. Father, give me that.
Stick it do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. See.